Hey, welcome back. You're on video 2. So in the last video, we were discussing how to set up home pages for Internet Explorer. So what I'm going to do now is basically go back and just reset my Explorer. So Google. I'm going to go back to Google. I'm doing this fast now because I just showed you how to do this. So we're done there. Next thing we want to do is probably go, same option, go to Tools, go to Internet Explorer, and then go through the basics over here. Now, a lot of us, we have cookies and we have browsers that everything you do on the internet gets recorded on your computer. And every so often, once a month or every 3 months, or before you sign up with another affiliate, you want to learn how to clear your cookies so you can give the proper credit to that person. Now, a lot of people in affiliate marketing, we don't understand something as consumers, as buyers. When somebody takes time with you to sell you something, introduce you to something, and help you do something, and you're about to purchase an affiliate program from them or something that they're offering you with a direct link that they're giving you, common courtesy is clear your cookies and then make the purchase with that person. That person took the time out to explain something and expose something to you. And if you're about to make a purchase with their link, that means you're going to pay them a dollar amount for their services. And this is the same thing you want when you're on the other side of the fence, is when you finally get to reach out to and talk to someone and you're going to give them an affiliate link that you're going to be promoting. You're going to want to be able to get the proper credit. So in order to get the proper credit, you need to understand how to do this so you can train your customer on how to clear their cookies so you can get appropriate credit so you can get paid. This is another reason why a lot of marketers don't make any money, because they don't understand this stuff. So let's go through the cookies. So Internet Explorer, we're going to go through the cookies. Now I'm going to go here and go to the settings, and you can see a couple of things over here like automatic, websites. Over here, everything's automatic. When it gets to 250, it'll remove itself. So what I want you to do is go to your tools, go to general, and then hit delete. And then when you hit delete, you're going to get a couple of options in here. Temporary internet files. And it tells you copies of websites, images, and media that are saved for faster viewing. What this means is whenever you go to a website, your computer actually downloads the information. So if you ever revisit it, it loads up faster. Many of us, when we go to a site, it takes a little longer, and that's because that's the first time you've been there. The cookies, files stored on your computer by a website to save preferences such as login information. Sometimes when you have login information and passwords that you want in, the website already saves it, but it's saved on your computer, so it's nothing to worry about. History of how many websites you visited in the last couple of hours, days, weeks, or months. Download history, a list of your downloads. Anything you download in your computer, there's another file in your computer that saves the history of all the downloads you have done. Saves form data, saved information of any type of forms that you've done online. Passwords. Usually Internet Explorer, when you put a username and password and you click on save password, it might prompt you on the lower part of the page, save password. You can select it and it will be saved. And if you want to remove all your passwords, then you would unselect this or select this, whichever one you want. And then the filter tracking protection, listed website including from filters and data used by tracking protection to detect where websites might be automatically sharing details about your visitors. So what I did here is something that you could do. But because you don't know how to get here, we're going through this and I'm reading everything. So it might be a bit bored. I'm not going to argue with that. But this is what I need you to do. A lot of people don't get behind a car. They don't turn on the radio. They don't open the roof. They don't open the hood. They don't check the tires. They just buy a car and leave. You don't buy a car like that. You don't buy a house like that. You inspect it. This is your computer. Get behind the wheel. Roll up your sleeves. Understand it. Click on some things. And learn how to use Google for every question that you might have from this moment forward. So if something here you didn't quite understand, just Google it. But this is the basics. So what I always do is I unselect the passwords. And I unselect the favorites because I want to keep my favorites. And I select everything else and I'm going to hit delete. Now you see the little wheel turning right there. That means it's doing something. Based on the speed of your computer, the RAM, and we're going to talk about that later, your computer will process the information, and my computer is done. So we're going to hit OK. And now I basically deleted all my history, everything that's here. So if I go back on everything I want, I should be okay. Internet Explorer has finished deleting the selected browser history. And I'm going to hit X. And basically this is it. This is deleting your cookies and your history that you've done for the past before you've seen this video. So I'll see you on the next video.